So over the last 25 years, King County and watershed partners have been working hard to restore the river and floodplain habitats that are important for young salmon. Improving young salmon health and survival is one of the best opportunities King County has to promote healthy and abundant salmon.
Unfortunately, here in the lower Snoqualmie, much of the river is confined by levees and revetments that are limiting the natural processes that create and sustain those habitat conditions. The Fall City Floodplain Restoration Project aimed to reverse the impacts of those man-made features. There's almost no other place in the county where we could do a project of this scale, and so we wanted to just do the best project that we could. With removing and setting back levees and revetments, punching in a few inlets to this historic side channel, and creating the new side channel, we were able to really jumpstart those natural processes.
So many
salmon are using these habitats, but we wanted to know how well they were helping to set these fish up for success for their life.
No one's tried this technique to evaluate a restoration project. And so it took a lot of creativity, problem solving, and logistical challenges to figure out how to potentially evaluate these fish. We built 19 of these enclosure cages. This is an open wild river, and we needed these enclosures to hold the fish and have them grow well without being ripped out of the system. We had nearly 100 young salmon, and it was really important for us to be able to identify individual fish. So we tagged them with this unique method, a neon color tag injected into their fins, and each fish had a unique color combination to see how that specific fish was growing throughout the study. Then we had to actually weigh and measure them to see what their starting sizes were, place those fish within these enclosure cages, and come back and revisit the enclosures to see how they grew. Dorsal orange, caudal upper red. Dorsal green, caudal upper orange.
Got it.
Length 71. Length 79. Monster. It's a big fish.
Got it.
Weight 5.13.
Ooh, that's the first
Fiver.
fiver.
It's our first
Yep.
5-gram fish. Through this study, we've been able to show that it's providing really distinct growth and food opportunities that are having a meaningful impact on these fish. Yep, that's all the food that was in the stomach of that fish. Pretty cool. They gained over a third of their body weight and some half of their body weight in just a short 6-week study period. Moving forward, the hopes are that the results of this study can help to inform future restoration projects.
This is a great project to be part of, to see fish in side channels weeks after they're connected, to have a study validate that juvenile fish are benefiting from the project. We're really young in this project's life. It's just going to get better over time. So even though the construction equipment is gone and the planters have packed up, we're going to keep seeing this project contribute to the ecosystem here in the Snoqualmie Valley.